I hope you understood about comment statements. Now let us see the second topic for this session. It is called overwriting. We all know about variables and values. When we have a value, we put it in a variable so that Python can remember that value. Now, for the same variable, we can change the old value with the new value. The method of changing the old value in a variable with a new value is called overwriting. For example, the variable books has value 2. Then I give a new value 4 to the variable. Now Python can keep only one value for a variable. So after I give the new value, Python will remember only that value. So now the value of books is 4. This is called overwriting. There are two types of overwriting in any programming language. The first is to overwrite the old value directly with the new value. Let us go to Python and see that. So now let us write books equal to 2. Now let us write a print statement to print the value of books. So we can write print books. Now save the file and run the code. 2 is printed. We expected that, correct? Let us overwrite 2 with a new integer value. Let us say I give you 2 more books, so you have 4 books in total. So you can write books equal to 4. So here we are using the same variable name and giving a new value so that Python will now keep in memory that the value of books is 4. This way we can change the old value with the new value. Python can remember only one value for any variable. So when you give a new value, Python will change the old value with a new value. So let's write print books again. Save the file and run the code. See, first Python reads books equal to 2, and when we print books, it prints 2. Then Python reads a line books equal to 4, so it changes the old value with the new value. That is why when we print books again, 4 is printed. In our second example, let's overwrite the old value 4 with a string value. Okay, so I am going to write now books equal to, within single quotes, I am going to write Toy Story. Yes, I know that Toy Story is not a book, it is a movie, but let us just write it here for example, okay? Now save the file and run the code. See, now as the third statement, Toy Story is printed. So first the value of books was 2, then we overwrote that new value, that value with the new value 4. Then again we replace the value 4 with a string value called Toy Story. That is why we get 2, 4 and Toy Story as the output. So this is one way of overwriting values in Python. Okay. In the next video we will see the second method of overwriting.